Hello and good day. Today, our question of the day is log 3, open your bracket, 3 raised to the power of x minus 6 plus log 3, open your bracket, 12 minus 3 raised to the power of x, close your bracket, equal to 2. So now let's solve. So we have our solution. This is our solution. So now when you notice, you see that there is log 3 here and there is log 3. So let's try to group them together. So we have log 3, open your bracket, this and this. Now, if you notice, there is a plus here, there's an addition sign. So now you automatically do what? You automatically multiply. So you have 3 raised to the power of x minus 6, close your bracket, times 12 minus 3 raised to the power of x, close your bracket, is equal to 2. Now, when your log 3 goes here, we have 3 raised to the power of 2. So let's try to open up the bracket and take this one to the other side, okay? So now we have this. So you multiply this. 12 times 3 raised to the power of x. The base are not the same, so you cannot multiply them according to the law of what? Indices. So you have, open your bracket, 12 times 3 raised to the power of x, close your bracket. That's to show that they are 1. Then you multiply this. Since the base are the same, automatically you do what? You add the powers. So you have 3 times minus 3 raised to the power of x. You have what? Minus 3 raised to the power of what? 2x, which is x plus x gives what? 2x. So you come here, you have minus this times 12, which is what? Minus 72. And minus 6 times minus 3 raised to the power of x, the base are not the same, so you cannot multiply. Neither can you add the powers. So you have plus, because this is a minus sign and a minus sign. Open bracket, 6 times 3 raised to the power of x, close your bracket, equal to what? We are taking our log 3 to this place. So you have 3 raised to the power of what? 2. So since we have 3 raised to the power of 2, what do we say now? We look at it and we notice that we cannot solve it straight away. So we say, let 3 raised to the power of x, because when you look, you see that 3 raised to the power of x is literally everywhere. So we say let it be equal to what? C. So since it's equal to t, you come here, you have 12. So times 3 raised to the power of x, which is what? T now. So it will be 12t. Okay? So minus 3 raised to the power of 2x, it will now be equal to minus t square. Because 3 raised to the power of x is what? Is t. And you still have your 2 there. That's t square. Because we say 3 raised to the power of x and 3 raised to the power of 2. They are trying to add the powers because the base are the same. So minus 72. So plus 6 times 3 raised to the power of x will give what? 6t, which is equal to what? 9, which is 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so when you have this, now you try to collect the like term, bring all of them to this side so you can be equal to. Now we see we are heading towards what? A quadratic equation. So we have 12t minus t squared minus 72 plus 6t minus 9 equal to 0. And now when we look at it, you see minus 72 minus 9 gives what? Minus 81. So you bring this t squared forward. Minus t squared, we have our 12t plus 60 gives what? 18. So plus 18t minus 81 is equal to 0. So now we are trying to find what? T. But if you notice, there's a minus sign here. So now let's try to divide through by minus. So this place can take what? An addition sign. So when you divide through by minus, what do you get? You get t squared minus, because now plus divided by minus gives what? Minus. So minus 18t. And now minus divided by minus gives what? Plus. So plus 81, which is equal to what? 0. So now you have to look through and see. You have to look for two numbers such that when you add them, it gives you minus 18. But when you multiply them, it gives what? 9. It gives 81, sorry. So now we look at numbers and then we come out with 9 and 9. Because when you go for 9 and 2, 9 times 2 gives 18. But it's supposed to be addition. Okay, and there are other numbers too that go for 81. So now you look for the factors of 18, you write them down. You look for the factors of 81, you write them down. And then you try to add them, multiply them to know which one suits. So now we have that 9 and 9 suits. Okay, because 9 times 9 is equal to what? 81. And 9 plus 9 is equal to what? 18. Okay, so now we're looking, which of them is going to give, how are you going to put the signs in order to get what? Plus 18 and minus, plus 81 and what? Minus 18. If you put minus here and you put plus here, it gives what? Minus 81. But we're looking for plus. So minus and plus does not work, which means plus and minus is also not going to go. So let's put plus and plus. It gives plus 81, which is what we are looking for. But it doesn't give minus 18. So let's use the last one, which is minus. So minus times minus, it gives plus, which is plus 81, this. And if you add them, it gives what? Minus 80, meaning this is the best one to use. So let's just clean this off. So we have this. So now we use t squared minus 9t plus 81 equal to 0. So now that we have it, we have t, open your bracket, t minus 9. T times t gives t squared. T times minus 9 gives what? Minus 9t. So you have your minus 9. I'm bringing out 9 because 9 is common here in these two. Okay, so open your bracket. T minus 9 equal to what? 0. Minus 9 times t gives minus 90, and minus 9 times minus 9 gives what? 81. So you get this. So now you bring there, you have t minus 9 and t minus 9, which is equal to 0. So now let's just pick, since they are the same thing, let's just pick one. So you have that t minus 9 is equal to what? 0, which means our t is equal to what? 9. Now this is not all. Remember that we said our t is equal to what? 3 raised to the power of what? X. So now let's put in what we got before, which is 3 raised to the power of x equal to what? 9. So now let's use the law of indices and let's try to break this down. So we have 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of what? 2. So since the base are the same, what do? We cancel out. It means that our x is equal to what? 2. So this is our final answer. So I think you understood. Thank you. Bye.